So from this to this. Stay with us and we'll show you guys how to do that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Stay with us guys and we'll show you today how to turn those nasty old looking headlights into brand new looking headlights guys. This video will work on any vehicle with the plastic headlights and they started using them like in 2000. So stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. Let me just introduce you to the channel guys. Every car we get at the shop, we'll make at least 200 videos on it. So please subscribe guys. You can see we're doing engine replacement here, everything you can think of. So please give a like and subscribe. So you can see guys, if you have a newer vehicle made after 2000, okay, your headlights eventually will burn. So how do you do complete, okay, permanent restoration on those? We'll show you guys. Now I've seen people clear coating those. Never ever clear coat them, because if you use the wrong clear coat or you add a little bit more clear coat on top of it, you're going to burn that plastic and there is no way to fix it. You will always look foggy. So we're going to get painter's tape. All the tools and parts guys that we use are listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. And we're going to tape everywhere around the headlight so we don't do any damage to the paint or the grille in our case here. Okay, you can see we just need one more spot here and one on the fender and we'll be ready. Next guys, what we're going to need, some clean water. Okay, you can see just regular water right here. And we'll need to get some sandpaper as well. Okay, the first sandpaper that we'll be using here guys, okay, let me show you, is 600 sandpaper, this thing. And we'll need to get a sponge. Okay, the sponge as well. So we have a new and older one, so we'll get the new 600. So what we need to do, dip it in water. Okay, dip that sandpaper in water and then you start sanding the headlight. And check out, okay, you need to go back and forth or left and right. Do not go in circle and you will see guys that yellowish foam coming off. Okay, check this thing out. This is your burnt plastic. Okay, it's terrible looking. So what you strive guys for, okay, is clean white foam coming. Okay, because if you have yellowish coming, it means that something still burnt. So check out how bad it looks on the foam when it's dripping. Now, okay, you can see how the foam started turning white instead of being yellow. So we'll do that to the rest of the headlight guys and we'll continue. Probably will take us about 2 minutes to do the whole thing. Okay, so we're ready with the 600. We're going to rinse it off really good. This is 1000 sandpaper now that we'll be using. With the 1000 guys, again, you're going to dip it in water and we're going to sand the headlight. What the 1000 does, it actually buffs the scratches out of the 600 and it will make it easier to polish. Now, all the tools guys, including the sandpaper, all the wax that we'll be using is listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please guys, okay, check it out. So we'll do that to the whole headlight. You can see now it's white foam coming. So there is absolutely no yellowish. So we'll rinse it off again. It's very important to rinse off between the stages. Why? Because you might have some stones left from the previous sandpaper and okay, you will not be able to buff the scratches easily because those stones will be stuck on the new sandpaper and as a result guys, you'll make scratches again. So 2000 sandpaper now. And we keep doing that thing over and over again. So you can see 3 stages, 600, 1000, 2000. Now that 2000 guys will buff the scratches out of the 1000 and it will make the headlight really easy to buff. So with one sandpaper you can do 3 or 4 headlights usually and they don't go bad. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to rinse it off one more time. Okay, you're going to see that it looks better, but it's not done yet, and we'll explain why in just a minute. Now, when you remove all the tape, it's going to look terrible. Okay, when it dries, that thing will be it will be dull looking. You will see what I'm talking about in just a second. So with the tape being removed, we're going to dry everything really good. For the next step, everything needs to be completely dry, guys, and you will see why. Now when we dry it, as I said, it's going to turn dull, and that is perfectly fine. Because we're going to buff it now and bring that crystal clear shine out of that headlight. So far, okay, you can see what it looks like. This is the headlight, this is the other one. It looks like this one, but without the yellowish tint. And you see how close we're to making that thing look like brand new again. So guys, we have a rubbing compound here by 3M, and we have step 2 machine polish. You can buy a rubbing compound, it's called step 1, in the same big quantity. We have all that listed, so you can decide what you need. Okay, and we're going to apply a thin film now on the headlight. Okay, like this one. Now we have the buffer here with the polishing pad, okay, with the rubbing compound pad, and we're going to buff it at about, we're going to do about 1800 RPMs on this one now. It's very important not to stay too long at one spot because you can burn your headlight. Always be careful around paint, surface and bumper. Now, I'm going to apply one more coat, guys. Okay, one more thin coat. Okay, so again, the same thing. Okay, this one is a little bit thicker than I expected, but it came out. Okay, rub it in really good. Okay, now we're going to buff it again, like that. So now guys, okay, you can see that's what it looks like after the first step. Now we're going to change the pads. Okay, we need to get a polishing pad right here, and with that polishing pad now we're going to use a different wax. Okay, and this is step 2. The other one was step 1, this is step 2, machine polish. So again guys, okay, you need to shake those really good, and we're going to go ahead. Okay, apply a thin coat. This one doesn't need as much. Okay, just a thin coat on the whole headlight, so you can see so far how good that thing looks, right? It looks amazing. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to buff it at about 1800 RPMs. Okay, and the last step, guys, will be to use, okay, it's called Glossworks, okay, by Chemical, guys, right there. And we're going to apply a very thin amount as well. This one will make the headlight even shinier now. So again, a little bit on the whole headlight. Let's put a little bit more. Okay, perfect. We're going to buff it now. Just the same thing that what we did already. At about 1800 RPMs, I figured that it works really good. And we'll see what it looks like. For the last step, we'll remove, okay, even the board, because I cannot damage it with that soft pad. So now, all we need to do now, we need to get a microfiber cord, guys, and we need to clean really good the whole headlight, buff it. And you can see, guys, this is our end result. Okay, how amazing that is. Okay, that's what we have here. You can even read the little Ford sign on the inside. That's amazing. That's what we have on this side, guys. That's what we started with. So I think, in our opinion, that looks pretty sweet, right? Let's close the hood and check it one more time, and you can tell the difference yourself. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, guys, and see you guys next time.